So I've just got my karaoke machine. What I want to do is show you everything that comes with, and then we're going to go ahead and go over the features. So when you do receive it, you are going to get a shoulder strap here. It's got two clips, one on each end, and they're going to attach. You can see here, right, left and right side. Of course, you've also got a handle. We do have a charging cord here. It's got a type C here on the end, which you would actually plug in right there. Now this does have a runtime of right around 12 hours and a fast charge up to 4 hours. And then we've also got an audio cord here. So we can go ahead and plug it in here, the auxiliary input right there. Also comes with two microphones. The microphones here, they just take a couple of AA batteries here. Of course, we've got our power switch, increase or decrease the volume. And once it's turned on, you're going to see right there, it's got channel, for the moment, it's a channel 168, and that's the frequency right there. I mean, these are really nice microphones. I really love the way they look. They don't weigh heavy at all. You can easily just kind of grip it like this, and you're just going to sing your heart out. So the subwoofer itself, it is 6.5 inches. This is 60 watts. You can see here we've got some really nice lights through here. You can change these to whatever you want. Right here, there's a button that says LED. And as you press this, it's going to go ahead and just kind of cycle through all the different colors. The reds, the blues, the greens. So up here, these are our inputs here. So you can use an additional microphone or an instrument by just plugging it in there directly. Of course, we've got our volume here. These are our inputs here. We can go ahead, besides Bluetooth, so right now it's on blue, USB, a micro SD card, of course, auxiliary. You can just patch in music directly. We've got an echo right here. Hello, hello, hello. Hi there, everyone. How you doing? So you can have a lot of fun with this. And we've also got our volume. Right over here, we've got 1 through 9. That allows you, depending on the software you have, you can go ahead and just pick, say, song number 2 or song number 9. Right here, you got a song playing and say, maybe on a tablet, like I'm going to show you here in a minute. You can hit previous, pause it. You can go to the next one. So for instance, if I'm through singing this song or I don't like it, I can go ahead and press next. And this is going to go ahead and cycle to the very next one instantly. You can find plenty of songs on the internet to create your own playlist and just use it with the karaoke machine. I'm going to sing you one that's a favor of everybody. Happy birthday to you. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'm really happy with this karaoke machine. It's just a lot of fun.